So good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
So yeah. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening today. And this is your course, discussion session for your course, Data Science for Engineers. I am Elsa Sharu Johnson from NIT Tiruchirappalli. And I believe you had a session yesterday as well. So based on what was shared in that session, it was like the basics on the week 1 of the Data Science for Engineers course. So I hope many of you might have joined yesterday's class also. So since it was taken like in the basics of the thing, I'll be directly going to the questions, and in between the questions I'll be describing about the basics which are related. So if you have any questions, you can put in the chat window, or when I'm asking for any doubts, you can raise your questions. Okay. So yes, we'll start with the session. Still, people are joining, so in between there might be some pauses. So, okay, we'll start. So, this was the present week highlights actually. You were introduced into the R language, then you learned about variables and data types in R, then data frame objects in R, and just wait for a moment. So, this week's highlights were: the second, you learned about the variables and data types in R, and data frame objects in R, different operations like arithmetic logics and matrix operations, functions in R, then control structures, which include if else if statements, for loop, while loop, break, etc. And then you had seen data visualization. So your assignments are also taken from these particular topics, and it includes some questions which you will be required to run in the RStudio also. So I hope everyone has installed RStudio in your systems and you are having it with you so that we can run the programs as a hands-on. Okay, so I'll be discussing the previous assignments which was taken in last course. Okay, so the previous assignment means the previous course's assignment. So you'll be getting similar questions to your present assignments also. So the first question is the function ls in R will. This is a very easy question. You can just put in the chat window in the answers for this question. Everyone can put in the chat window. Yes, people are giving B. Okay, so just move on to the RStudio for a bit. Okay, so this is your function. Yes, everyone is giving correct answers only. Yeah, so this is the ls function. So right now you can see my environment is empty. Is the RStudio visible to everyone? You can just put an S in the chat window. Yes, okay. So the environment right now, I haven't run anything because I have cleared the environment right now. So it's empty. So if I run the ls right now, what will you get now? What answer will you be getting if there is nothing in the environment? Okay, I'll just show you. So if I just run this one, you'll get the character 0. Right now I am not having anything. So after we have uploaded down some environments, I mean some variables into the environment, we'll just check that again. Okay, so this was the first question, like the function ls. So the answer will be like, it lists all the objects in our working environment, and if there is no object in the working environment, then it will be like you will get a character 0. Okay. Now the next one, consider the following code. Okay, so a code is given for you. You can read this code, follow the logic, and then tell the answer. or people can also run this code in their system. So I'll just read it again first actually. So room.temperature, they are given as dot integer. So as dot integer means convert to an integer, whichever is given in this particular statement. So read line and prompt is given. So if I run this thing, I'll be getting like, so I'll just run this program. Okay, it's given as room dot temperature as integer read line. So I'll just, okay. So when I run this one, you can see the prompt is coming like enter the room temperature in degrees Celsius in the console. Okay, I hope that's visible to everyone. Just wait for a moment. Why? Chandan has asked why. Yes, or you meant yes or why? Okay, okay, yeah, all right. Okay, I'm just admitting everyone. Wait. Okay, so I have run this one and it's asking for a prompt. So I'll just put one value 32.5. Okay, enter that one, that value. So actually, our question is like this. Okay, so this is the program. If room temperature less than 19, print the room is chilly. So I hope you can remember the if else conditions that you have studied actually. So it was like if room temperature less than 19, it's one statement, if argument and statement, then else if the argument is there and the statement. Yeah, people are telling B answer B. So yes, the answer is right. I'll come back to the program and show you how it is done. So yeah, so it's like be the answer. So you might just have to see what is the answer that I have written. Okay, I mean the prompt I have given is what, 32.5. Yes, the question was like if a room temperature of 20 degrees Celsius is input to the above part, choose the output to be displayed. Okay, we'll go with that first. Okay, anyway, we'll go with that first. So I'll put 20 first. Okay, yes. And if I run this whole program, okay, if I run this whole program, you will be getting enjoy, the room is warm, enjoy the stay. Yeah, the room is warm, enjoy the stay. That's what you have. I hope you have put as B answer. Okay, but I had asked about 32.5 as the value. So just we'll run that also once more. 32 point. Okay, I'm just putting that there. Okay, 32.5. If I enter that, and again if I run the whole program, okay. If I run this whole program, the third, yeah, it will be coming. Yes, Vignesh, you're right. So this is, that's the answer. So anyone has any question? Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. Okay. So so according to this question, the answer is B. Okay. B is the answer. And yeah, we'll move on to the next question. Okay. So the next question is given name C. And can you tell me what the C is? Ma'am, I have different questions in the assignment. Okay, Ranchini, I hope that's how I pronounce it. Yeah. So this is the previous year's, I mean, not previous sessions assignment questions. Okay. We are not supposed to discuss with you the present assignment because it's graded, right? So that you have to solve by yourself. So I'm discussing the previous assignment. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so yeah, name I have given city A, city B, city C. Yeah, it's stored like in name. Then weather also like this. Then I am forming a data frame, data dot frame name comma weather. Okay, so this you have to run in your, yeah, concatenation. Yeah, yeah. So city underscore data and dollar weather, and it's given city underscore data name equal to city will be assigned as snowy, print city underscore data. Okay, so we'll just see. Anyway, you might be knowing the answer by now, but I'll run this one. Okay, I have given the code. Yes, so you can see city. This is city A sunny, city B cloudy, city C rainy. Okay, this is the data frame named city underscore data. Okay. Problem in week 1 lecture. Yeah, you can ask Ankur. Just wait till this session is towards the ending. You can ask. Okay. I'll ask. Okay. Yeah. So this was the. I mean, choose the correct answer based on the output expected on running the below code. Ma'am, if I run, you could see. Not see like this table as output. Okay, okay. I mean, if you want to see, you can just type in this view city data in the console, or it's you can just go to the environment. Okay. Um, See here, city data. You can see the table. I hope this is what you uh, asked actually, or you can run this one in the console. Is that you what you have asked, Ranjini? Okay. So I'll hide the environment. Yeah. So what is required of us is we want to change it to like this. Okay. I mean, it's seeing the place where the name is like city equal to C, and in that particular thing, we want to uh, change it as snowy. I mean, we want to see whether it is coming. Okay. If it's the symbol, okay, that means an assignment operator. Okay, this means assignment. Hmm? So in your lecture, you might have seen like either this or the equal to symbol can be used in R Studio as an assignment. Okay, but in R, if you're simply using R, then you have to use the symbol itself as the assignment operator. Okay, so this first I'll run this one. Okay, so when I run this one, dollar symbol. Okay, I will show you everything right now. So okay, just see this one right now. I will show the answer right now. City A sunny, city B cloudy, and city C snowy. Okay, I'll come back to this one. So actually our data frame is city underscore data, right? Just when I typed it, it's showing this one, right? Can you see it? So city underscore data. If you want to access one of the columns of it, you just will put dollar. Okay. So dollar denotes accessing any of the columns. Okay. So now when I put dollar, it came either name or weather. So I can select which one, which is needed. Okay. So the dollar symbol, if I put dollar dot name, it means, okay, if I just put like this, and if I just print this particular thing, okay, then it'll print this one, city A, city B, city B. Okay, so Jason, if you put the dollar symbol, then what it does is that you can access that particular column. Okay, now So what I did here is like city dollar weather means I have access to the column weather, and I have checked in city underscore data dollar name wherever city C is coming in the named column. I am assigning it as snowy. Okay. So earlier you can see earlier when I had first run this one, the city data was like this. One column was name, another column was weather, and city C was the third row in the first column, and it was given as rainy. Okay. Now when I did this particular thing, city dollar weather, so I selected the weather column and I checked wherever in the first column city C is coming. So in the first column city C is coming here, and then there I assigned snowy. So I assigned there snowy. So when I print that particular thing, it's changing as city C as snowy. Okay, so I hope this is fine now, clear now. If anyone has any doubt in this one, you can ask. Okay, is it fine, everyone? Can anyone? Oh, okay, can I use? Wait. Mm, can I use? Where are you asking, Vedika?
Near where you've written city data dollar in that.
No. This accessing is used
Yeah.
by square brackets. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
And whenever that function will be used, usually the round brackets will come.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Can you show once how to activate view? View is very simple. Go to the environment. See this one. Okay. Or if you put in the console and just enter, you can view. It's clear now? Okay. Okay. So we have done that. Now we'll go to the next question. If anyone is having a doubt, just ask in the chat window. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next question. So here the answer will be okay. Rain is replaced by snowy. Yeah. So the answer will be A. Okay. A will be answer. Yeah. So we'll move on to the next one. Consider this code given below. So it's related to the previous data frame itself, but we are forming a new thing. Okay. So here it's given city underscore weather equal to list. Yeah, city A like this. Okay. Um, can you tell me what will be the answer of this one? City underscore weather O2. Okay, people are putting A as well as C. Okay. So A as well as C, I'm getting the answer. Okay. Anyway, both of them I'll show you. Okay. So this is the same thing. List city A, city B, city C, C cloudy, rainy. Okay. So remember that this is a list. Earlier we looked at a data frame. Now it's a list. So list will be coming like here. Okay. Okay. And sorry. So list will be coming as a list here. It will be displayed like this. Okay. And when you look at this one, it will be coming like 1 2 3 4, and type as a character and value as city A, city B, city C, like this. Okay. So you can just now see from here that in the city underscore weather list, okay, it's a list. So the first element of that list is city A, second element city B, third element city C, and fourth element is again a list. Okay, kind of a list. which has sunny, cloudy, and rainy. So you are asked to find out how to access the variable cloudy, right? So cloudy is in which row? Kind of, I mean, not which row. Since it's a list, it is the fourth element, right? It's in the fourth element, and it is the second element of the fourth element. Okay. So if I run this particular command, I'll be getting cloudy, right? So the correct answer is A, but we'll see what happens here. Okay. So this is like accessing the second element and the second in the second element. So if you do that, you can see in the second element there is no second other. I mean, it's, yeah, it won't be coming and error will be thrown. Okay. So it will be coming like not applicable. So it's nothing is there. Okay. And about the option B, what will happen? Is there a fifth element in that list? Yeah. It will, okay. Here it won't show not applicable. Here it will show like an out of bounds. Okay. So it's coming like subscript out of bounds. Okay. Yeah. There is no fifth element. Okay. So these are the things that you can get in this particular thing. So the answer will be like answer will be A. Okay. So this will be the answer, right? Yeah. So I hope this question is clear. Okay, moving on to the next one. Otherwise, you can, ma'am, why do you need two square brackets for the first input? Okay, so that is the syntax, okay, for the accessing elements in a list. So the element, first element, like in the rows, you have to give two square brackets there. And in that, if some elements is given, you need to give only one square bracket. It's like the syntax there. Okay, is it fine? Okay, so we'll just see what will happen. Okay, this is the syntax actually. Okay, to get the element, fourth element, and the second element. Okay, so if we change that and we just put, let's see what happens. So I will call this one. Okay, so what will happen here? Have you seen? I'll show you the list once again. This is the list, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay. So accessing elements in a list, you just revise the things in accessing elements in the list in your lectures, okay? So this one is like we want to select only one thing, okay? For that, we use this double thing and single square bracket. So if we use like that, you can access a particular element in a particular element in the list. If we gave like this alone, then it will give the entire things of that thing. So if I put, since there are no other elements in any other thing, it will be giving like, see what is happening here, city B. Okay, so Sachin, are you clear? So if there are multiple elements in the elements of a list, you can access it using this thing. If there are no multiple elements, you can use this one also. Okay. Yeah, this is the syntax for this kind of problem. Okay, assignment operator. This is R Studio, right? In R Studio, you can either use this one or equal to. Okay, in R only, it's like we have to use this one. Okay, I'm using R Studio right here. So in R Studio, both assignment operators are allowed. We'll just run like this also. So you can see the same thing has come. Okay, that's not a load. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you can use both. Wherever this is placed, you can interchange with that. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, Jason. Any other question? Um, the question, Tati, it's the assignment operator is different there, okay? I mean, you have put greater than and hyphen there. It's less than and hyphen, okay? I mean, I think you mistyped, okay? Yeah? Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Um, Consider the following code: A equal to matrix C1 to 42, n row, n column by row equal to T, B equal to A minus 2. Okay, so we'll go to this thing. Okay, so I'm forming a matrix with the elements 1 to 42. I have specified the number of rows and number of columns, and I'm arranging it by row equal to true or T. Okay, anything can be used. So if I run this particular line, then it will be coming like this. A is the matrix. I'm giving from 1 to 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this is it's going. So it's like by row equal to true. Okay. So now what I'm doing here, can you tell me the answer? These are the options, right? I'm giving b equal to a minus 2 comma in the brackets, in square brackets. So what will be the answer? I'll just show you this thing once more. Yes, it's like this. So if I put b equal to a minus 2 comma in the square bracket, what will be the answer here? Okay, some are saying C. Anyone else? Yeah. Answer is D. Error in editing of data. Ranjini, you have run this one or?
No, ma'am, I have tried the lessons, whatever you have given. So that moment I received this error.
Uh, okay, I just missed your. You might not have put this one. Okay, just try and see, or you can. Do you have the program right now with you?
Yes, ma'am. I have not run this one. Earlier, I have run lecture one that the editor data frame is not working, ma'am.
Okay, so you might have tried to edit it somehow. Maybe you have switched with the brackets or not put this comma or something like that. Okay, just check. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, you might have tried to edit it. Okay, if you don't, it will default take as column. So it will take as okay, yeah. So can you mute yourself, Ranjini? Who was that? Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I missed. Yeah, string reverse, not string reverse. This is like. I'll go back to the question. So this is like B is a matrix consisting of all elements of A, excluding the second row. I mean, many of you have put D as the answer. So yeah, the answer is D. So yes, and. What will happen? Yeah, some of you have said, what will happen if I do like this? Element of 40. second column will be deleted. Okay, we will just see what happened. Okay, sorry, that is B. B is coming as, okay, I will, what will I do? Yeah. We also will give as a matrix. Hmm. X is missing. Set missing. Second column will be deleted. Okay, it's fine. That is fine. Okay. Yeah. Print b equal to so what was I doing? Yeah. This was wait, I'm admitting people, okay? Yeah. So if I put print b, it will be coming like this, okay? So right now it's coming like values only because we haven't given like I mean we haven't given it as a matrix. Okay. So the Jayashree, what you're meaning like 40th printing? What do you mean by 40th element will be printed? Okay, you're telling like till 40th? Okay, I'll wait for that. I'll tell you. So the thing is coming like 1, 2, 3, 4. If extra, everything is coming, okay, you can see it coming, and then one column is missed, and next the thing is coming. Okay. So and if I put like this, then what will happen? Can you see here? I'll come back to your just now. Okay. So right now you can see what has happened, right? Yeah, P you can view. So right now you can see here. Earlier in the first case, I gave B equal to, I mean, no, not that one. I gave like P minus 2 comma, right? Now I have given comma minus 2. Okay. So just, okay, we will see all the cases. Okay. Minus 2. Okay, first I'll run this one. So P will come like this one, okay? What is, okay, yeah. P is right now like this. Okay. What did I do here? I have given minus 2 comma. Okay. Now we will see the second variation. Like this we will do. Okay. We will do like this. Yeah. I mean, yeah. So when I did this one, now it's like this. Earlier we did remove the second row. Now we have removed the second column. Okay, and when I simply give like this, okay, just I'll give another name. If I give like this, and if I print by, okay, you can see same thing is happening. I mean, the column is removed, but what has happened here? Is it like a matrix? Is it coming like a matrix? Do you understand the difference? The first one, it um, removes second row, yeah. This one removes second column, and the third one removes the same, but it's not coming as a matrix. It comes like an integer, and still the second column is removed only. Okay. Look at what happened. So here second column is removed, and 1 3, like, what did I put here? Okay, -2 means the second row is removed, but still now it's coming as an integer. Okay, is everyone clear? If you have any doubt, ask now. And can we view y? Y, yeah, this is, so if you want to use the prefix. First, I'll just check that I haven't used it. See, since it's an integer, it will be coming like this, okay? Since it's a big one, it won't be displayed together. Yeah, okay, you can say that this command does not make sense. Yeah, I was just telling you the different variations. Okay, we don't use this command, we don't use it, but just telling like whatever error will be coming or what will be coming when you use this one. Our question is this one only. Okay, Anil? If you see, it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is coming. Then the next row is not coming. And then after that, the third row is coming. But that is the answer. Okay. But the question was not for that. The question was for this one. So in this answer, will be coming B is a matrix consisting of all elements of A excluding the second row. Then matrix don't be put by row equal to true, then what will be the output? Then it will be the default thing. Okay, so default value will be like column wise coming. So I'll just show you that. Okay, by row we'll remove. Okay, so it will take the default value. So 1 to 42, I'll change this as X and I'll run this one. So X has come. So you see it's column wise. Okay, the default thing for that command matrix is column wise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this will be coming. Okay, that is a default thing. So, but if you are putting like by row equal to true, then it will be taken as row wise. So in this one, it will be column wise, and this one will be row wise. You can say like the filling of values will be row wise, and if by row it's not given, it will be column wise. I hope that's clear. Okay. Yes. Now, okay. So we'll go to the next question. Okay, the parameter collapse in the function paste. Okay, have you come across this function collapse or paste? Anyone? Yeah, Chandan has put B. Add space in between two strings. Okay, yeah. The thing is, there are very many different variations for this one. Okay, so just I'll go to that. Okay, so I put many different variations for this one. Okay, just we'll see one by one. So I'm just putting paste. Okay, I'll just put the console up also. And here, okay, you can see this command, right? Paste 1, 2. Okay, many are putting C, B. Okay, the thing is the answer. Okay, the given answer was C, but there is some problem with that answer. Okay, so first you see paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just I'm putting, okay, just forming some data. So it will be printed as 1, 2, 3, 5, like that. Okay, now if I'm putting this particular thing with sep is what? So paste, I mean, it'll be pasted here. Sep is one thing, it's like, to separate the values. Okay, the meaning is like to separate the values. Okay, so if I run this particular line, now you will be seeing it as these were the elements earlier. Now it's coming like 1 underscore 2 underscore. Yeah, separates the value with the symbol that you have given. Okay, so if you have given nothing here, like just a space, it will be coming like a space. But here also it's coming like space only. Now if you are putting any other sign or symbol, it will be coming that particular thing. Okay, so just before that, I'll just show you what the paste function is. Okay, so whenever you want to see, you can just type it, and just if you want more help, you can put F1. So F1, you can, I hope you can see the screen. Okay. Okay, so here you can see paste. This is a whole syntax. And I'll just come down. So paste, what it does is that converts arguments into character strings and concatenates them. And in that, just if a value is specified for collapse, the values in the results are then concatenated into a single string with the elements being separated by the value of collapse. Okay, so it's more clearer than the separate. Separate is also, I mean, the sep is also used for that same purpose, but collapse make it more clearly. Okay, so first we have run this one. This one also, it will be coming like and in between. Okay, so just different variations, but here you can see now I have given a list, kind of a list, and then have given collapse. So usually when you give like this as a list or something, you can use the collapse thing. Okay, so it will be coming like this, and if you put collapse like this, now it's coming like this. Okay, now I'm running this particular thing. As you can see here it's like I have given paste C, Rita, Sam, John, Jack, Cook, Reaper, and I have given collapses and. Okay, so if I run this particular thing, it's give Rita and Sam and John and Jack, everything will be coming. Now if I give two things, C, A, B, 1 to 10, separate equal to this one, and collapse also I have given. Okay, so now you can see the difference. Here we have to list, right? A is there, 1 to 10 is there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see A underscore 1 underscore is the separator given, and collapse given as and. So and what it did here, two strings it joined, and okay, and the separator was given between the elements of the 2 list. So a underscore 1 and b underscore 2 and a and again a underscore 3, b underscore 4, like that the answer has come. See the difference now? And this is similar only. Again, I'll run this one. So this one has come like John equal to 1 and Ray equal to 2. So and is the collapse here and equal to is the separator there. Okay. Yeah. So everything is like separating the value with the symbol which is given, but still the functionality changes. Okay. When both comes, this is the result. And this is the paste function. You can look at it more. Okay. Okay. So is this clear? Lavanya, okay. Lavanya, can you tell me what you didn't understand?
Ma'am, when you execute the line number 69, it came until A underscore 1 until 10, and then B underscore 1 to 10, right? But if you run the line number 70, it is giving, okay,
Okay.
it's alternate. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Now, just we will look at this one also. Okay. Yeah. This is coming. So we'll move on. I have joined a bit late. Okay. This is, I mean, I'm just going through the previous year assignment questions. Okay. This is just like a discussion. So you can just go through this one. The basics are given in the lecture. Okay. You can go through the lectures also. And this video also will be posted later. You can refer to that, right? I hope that's fine. Yeah. Okay, everyone has given B. Add space in between two strings. Okay, that is fine. Yes. You can say, I mean, the answer was given as C. So you can say like whatever is given in the collapse function, it is doing that. So the space what was coming in between the strings, it eliminates that also. So it's kind of like you can have multiple answers. Okay. It's little ambiguous. Okay. So we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Find function. So I hope you have learned about functions in your lectures, right? So this is given just find dot function as function A. In brackets, I have given a for loop. So for loop means the iteration will be there. I in 1 to A. Okay. So whatever A is given, it will come here, and B is given. So people are putting answers as B. Okay, let's see. um, B is given as I raised to 2 from B. Okay, people are returning B, right? Yeah. So we'll go to that particular question. So anyway, I'll be sharing this one and you can go to this particular link, okay, to look at different things. Okay, I forgot actually, this is another function, okay. It is also described in the help function actually. Yeah, that syntax is also there. Okay, later you can refer to it. Okay, so this is our seventh question. So it's like find dot function A. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I've just given an extra thing between this one. Okay, so here it was like just print B is there, right? So anyway, what will I do? I'll just remove this one, okay, for the time being. Or wait, I'll just comment this one, okay? So commenting and uncommenting, I hope you remember. So you can see for I mean, this is the function that was written there. If I run this one, the answer will be coming. Okay, something will be coming there. So if I put function, I'll be calling that function. Okay, you have learned saving and loading functions and all. So right now what I've done is that I have put a function. Sorry, I have put a function. So first what I did is like this particular portion was not there, and okay, I missed it. I'll remove that for clarity. Okay, so I'll run this once again, and if I put function of as in the question, or you have given the answer as right. Okay, you okay. So what did I do? Ranjini, I'll come back to your question, okay, later. Okay, wait. Function A, right, okay. Function of the problem was the name of the function was find dot function, right? Okay, so 14960, that is the answer which you have got earlier. So many have given that answer, right? So what will just for time being, I'll run this one, okay? This particular thing. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'll just give a certain variation. So here what I've did, I put an if loop and break I have given. Okay. So first I'll do this one. Can you tell me the answer? If I run this particular program. Okay, 149. Okay. Okay, earlier what was the answer? 14960, right? Okay, so okay, just see like, yeah, so 9 has come. Okay, so till 9 it has come, then it will go again to the loop, and it will be coming like 16, and then it will print 16, and then only it comes inside the if loop again. Okay, so can you say like so if I run this particular function, function, and if I call the thing here like find dot function, and I put 4, okay, right now just 14916 is coming. So wait, Naresh, anyone else having some window flashing and continuously repeating, any problem like that? Okay, fine. So now you see, since the if loop is coming after the iteration has been done. Okay, So already the higher value will be printed. So the answer will be coming like 14960. Okay, this is one case. Now if I remove it after this one, so let it find the condition first and then maybe it should print. Okay, now if I do this one, the answer will come like find dot function. Okay, find dot function. Why 14 is coming, Chandan? Yeah, 149 will come. Okay, 149 will come. So now it's like p equal to 16 will come. Chandan, greater than or equal to? No, it's only greater than. Okay, yeah, if it's greater than or equal to, if it's coming, then it will be happening. Okay, so I'll run this one and find dot function, then 4. If I give 1 4, then your answer will be correct. Okay, yeah. So that's this question. So before that, I mean, the answer will be coming like numbers. So in this particular case, the numbers 1496 will be coming, right? Yeah, P is answer. Yeah. So, okay, I'll go back to potential. Okay, BT equal to 90, 81. Why is this greater than symbol? Okay, BT you have given sep. Okay, just do that there. BT equal to C of 90, 78, 80, and 81, right? And you have given paste. Okay, and you have given paste BP, right? And sub you have given like hyphen, right? Then collapse is not there. Yeah. So it's coming like this one. Okay. Hyphen is not taking there. Or you're getting hyphen.
Hyphen here quotation, double quotation missing.
I don't know if it will be a problem. Okay, let me see. Okay, so but you are getting like that?
I get with hyphen, madam, with hyphen and quotation also.
Okay, I have to see what that is. Okay. Okay. This is the thing with the what you say separation. That's why you should use the collapse actually. We'll try with collapse also once. Okay. Now you can see here difference seen between separation and collapse. When we used sep only, then we had defined like this. Okay, not the I mean we didn't use the C function. Okay, we just gave the elements like this separated between commas, then put sep equal to this one. So if we run like that, we'll be getting like 1 and 2 and like this. Now you had given bt equal to C and then bt comma sep. If you give like that, then it won't be coming.
Okay, it is coming
Okay.
separate.
Yeah, it won't be taken like that. So in that cases, you should, I mean, if you want to get that output, you want to use collapse.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, remove C. Okay, where remove C? Yeah, you're right. I mean, if it's just the elements there in between here, then it would have come. Okay, and that is sure. So in that case, it should be set. If it's given like this, then you can use it. Okay. Yeah, you're right, women. Okay, so that is the question. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The operator percentage in percentage is used for, yes, you can tell directly. Okay, C, I'm getting answers. Identifying if an element belongs to a vector. Okay, that's right. Okay, the answer is C. We will just see here. Okay, so what can I do to see a vector? Okay, we will look at that later. So that is the answer anyway. That is just theory. Now we'll move on to the next one. The output of compiling and executing the following code in R will be, so this one, can you see and solve it? So it's that everything is same as we have discussed earlier itself. It's pretty straightforward. I'll give you a moment to find the answer. Okay, B, I'm getting. A. See where the break function is, right? Okay, C. D. Okay, every answers are coming. Okay, so yeah, I mean, yes. Vaishnavi, yeah, you are right. Now the answers are coming right. That's fine. Okay, the answer will be D. Okay, we'll see how it is coming, right? Answer is D. So the thing is, okay, this is rename. So this is kind of a vector. Okay, yeah. Now, okay, it's like character. Then count we have given like this, and I've given a repeat function. I think you have come across this one in the lecture. So what you have, I mean, this is given us print rename. So first it will be printing. So it will be the first time, right? Now it will be given like already its value is 2. So 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. Then if this thing is greater than 5, break away. Okay. So again will be coming. So till it comes greater than 5. So meaning like if count value is 5 also, it will be printing. So that's why the answer comes as D. Okay. Just I'll run it together. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times it's coming. Green. So the term green apple is printed 4 times. I hope it's clear. No explanation is needed, I think. Just I'll see, change this one here, okay? And I'll put here. Can you tell me the answer? Now how many times it will be coming? Yeah, 3 times, that's right. So I'll run that once again. So now it's just coming like 3 times. Okay. So this is the break function. Okay. Now it's we'll move on to the next question. The next statement in R programming is useful for, you can tell me the answer right now. Skipping the current iteration of a loop without term. Okay, yeah, that is the answer. Everyone is right. So I hope that's clear, right? So the answer is A. Okay. So this was the previous assignment. Okay. So now we'll move on to some other basic questions part. So I don't have to save it. Okay. So this is like, I'll just give you some other questions, right? Okay. So sorry, I'll just open some other file. Okay. Now you can just, the questions are here itself, you can answer. So R script files have an extension of, these are some different questions, okay? Yeah, R files have that extension. Now can you move on to the second question? In the R code given below, the value of I at which the loop breaks is, okay, you can see. So now I think Ankur, you can ask your doubt which you are having. The others can see how the answer comes, right? Value of I. Are you there? I don't know if I'm using the same name. Ankur, are you there? The rest of you can go through that question. Anil, there is a discussion form in your NPTEL thing itself. You can form a group, that's fine. You can form from yourself. Okay, let me discuss with the other TA also. Next week I'll tell you. Okay. Anyway, the discussion forum is there in the NPTEL side. We as well as the other regular TAs will be answering that. Okay. Yeah. So I think Ankur is not here right now. Okay. Anyway, we'll go on to the question. And Ankur, if you are there, you can raise your hand. Okay, I'll let you speak. I mean, you can speak after that. So n equal to 16. I've put this one. Okay. Recorded video. You'll have I mean, after today, there will be in the discussion link. Just I don't think if it's activated. This is your thing, right? Okay, it will be activated. Okay, after some time, you will be getting a tab here like discussion videos or discussion classes like that. So in that, in that tab, the resources for this particular session as well as the YouTube link of this session will be given. So you can look at that. Okay. So right now it's not there. It will be activated, I think. Okay. So x equal to sequence 1 and 1 2 and 2 like that. What will be happening here? Okay, n equal to 16 is given, and this is one. I would think no one has answered the question. Haven't you checked this one? Maybe 5, ma'am, answer. Okay, yeah, we will run line by line actually. So n equal to 16, x is a sequence 1 to n with the 2. Okay, we will look at the x1, x like this, okay? X is like this. You can see, I think if it's visible, you can see it's 1, 3, or I'll just type x here. You can see here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, right? So it's given for I in X. So iteration starts from 1. At the whole sequence will break. Okay, yeah, we will see. I in x, so x is these values. Yeah, and in I equal to 5, yes, print I and then break. Okay, we will run the whole sequence. Oh, I did something. Yeah, Jayashree Purupa is giving 5. Okay, so okay, what is the problem here? 5. Okay, n equal to c. Sequence, this one is given for so what is I? Sequence, lower bound, upper bound, increment or decrement. Yes, that is fine. That is true. After n means increment. Yeah. You can see here. X you can see. Yeah, incremented by 2 actually. 1, 2, like this it's coming. Okay. So this one for I in print I break, right? So I x is 12. So the answer is coming. Right. I think many have answered the yeah. That's fine. So what if I did break it earlier? Answer would not be printed. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now, yes, is there any other variations? And I'm trying to import a CSV file. How are you trying to split the data frame? Sachin? Based on number of rows. Okay. What is the error you are getting? Sachin? Tibble? Okay. I didn't understand that. Okay, what you can do, Sachin, you can just put that in the discussion forum, right? Okay, I think I'll deal with this question next week, okay? Then you can ask, okay? Yeah. So we'll be dealing with, I don't know if it's coming next week, but anyway, that time we will look, okay? So, yeah. Okay, the output of the code given below is, this is the output, okay? Yeah, Excel SX files are possible. It is possible. RStudio, in RStudio it's possible. 6618, sorry. Uh, okay, yeah, you're getting 6, 18, 12, that is fine, yes. What will happen if I give double star? Okay, I haven't run this one anyway, just run. Okay, yeah, this is coming. So what will happen if I'm giving double star? Yes, exponent only. But here it's like 1 raised to 6 and 4 raised to, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4 will be coming here, right? So 1 raised to 6, 2 raised to 3, then for 3 raised to 6, 729, and 4 raised to 3, 64. It will be the exponent here. Just wait. Chandan after breaks or do I remove the break here? Okay. Yeah, after break segment, function I don't lose. Okay, if this break is inside another bracket, so if the break is inside, okay, we'll see. And why Neeta has asked raised the hand?
Yes. Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, uh, I have been operated last set Friday, so I am not able to learn all the sessions, and I am not, there is some problem. I am not able to do the assignments. So will it be okay if I submit the assignment some on some other date? And learning also is becoming too, very difficult for me.
Yeah, yeah, your situation is difficult. I
Yeah.
am not sure with that. You can just ask at contact actually, okay, NPTL, because we are
So
not deciding the dates and grading and all.
how I contact ma'am for this problem, and to whom
Mm,
and their number or some email ID?
I'll just ask, okay, okay. I
Okay,
think you
thank you,
can
ma'am.
ask in this tab also, um, but I have to see. I don't have the contact number. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
and that is the reason I am not going through all the videos or the lecture videos. Only one or two only I have watched till now.
Okay, okay. It's fine actually. Yeah, Anil is telling there is time till 9th August. So before that, you can try. I mean, the assignments are not having that much grades and all. The final exam is very important. So till that, you can try, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Mm.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were looking at this one, right? Okay, good. Sorry. Could you explain how the computation? Okay. Yeah, so extra y. This is like x is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, x is like this. Final exam will decide your certificate. Okay, it is important. You will have a passing grade and all. Then only you will be getting the certificate, like pass. Okay, it is very important. Okay. So X is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, Durga, and Y is like this, okay, 6, 3. Now, if I give X star Y, what will happen is that 1 into 6. Jason, I'm not very sure about that. Let me just check with others, okay? About credential points. Sample. Okay, Ranjini, I'll get back to you next week, okay? Edit data frame. I'll bring an example of that, okay? Where was I? Yeah, so 6 into 1, 3 into, I mean, 3 into 2 will be there. Who had Durga? Okay. So when you give like that X star Y, it will be coming 1 into 6, 2 into 3, again 6. Okay. Then again 6 into 3, and it will be coming like, okay. So 6 into 3 and 4 into 3 is coming. Was that? I'm not. Okay, there is nothing much actually. Okay, this is just multiplication. See, 1 into 6, 3 into 6, 6 into 3, and 4 into 3 will be coming like this. And if you give X double star Y, here you'll be getting 1 raised to 6, 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 6, and 4 raised to 3. Okay, that is the exponent. Why I have showed this one is like, this is in the case of simple list only. But if it was a matrix, can you tell what these two are? Durga, I think you are clear. Others can tell what will happen if X and Y had been a matrix. So, matrix, if you give X into Y, it will be giving like simple multiplication, and one will be like matrix multiplication, the other will be element multiplication. Okay, we will look that later. So, okay, can you tell me which one of the following function can be used to list the installed packages in R? A, B, C, D, anything in that? Yeah, library. That's fine. Okay. Now, values of Y at the end of the program given below. Okay. So now we have taken a matrix. We can see some matrix operation with this. So X1 is matrix 10 to 18, 3 by 3 matrix. I mean by row by, I mean row column like that. And this one matrix, I haven't given any by row. So when I run these two, I'll be getting X2 like this. Okay. So I had given X2 like 11 to 19, 3 by 3. 11 to 19. So column wise 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 18. And X1 like this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Column wise, right? Now what will happen if I execute this particular function? What is apply actually? Apply will be like it will apply a particular function, right? So the syntax of apply is like apply the argument and then row wise or column wise, whatever is the margin, and then whatever is the function is to be applied. Okay. Now what will happen here? Okay, column bind. Yeah, that is like concatenation only. Yeah, with respect to the column. R bind will be with respect to the rows. That is fine. But what will be the result here? I have taken x1 with respect to the row and mi. So just what will I do? I have given it here, okay? We will see what's the result of simply this one. So x3 equal to apply like this. So x3, you can see what has come here. x3, if I print x3, it's like this, 10, 11, 12. Why has it come? It is like I am taking the x1 matrix and the operation is row wise, and I'm seeing the minimum of the row. So see here, x1 minimum of the first row is 10, minimum of the second row is 11, and minimum of the third row is 12. That is why x3 is 10, 11, 12. So in the first argument, this will happen. And now let's see what happens in the second one. Second one, it's like for x2, I'm taking again row wise and again maximum of the rows. So here it should come like 17, 18, 19. Okay, we will see what happens there. So see 17, 18, 19. Now what I'm doing, I'm binding, columns I'm together concatenating. So it will be like 10, 11, 12, 17, 19, 18 column wise. So this is the whole thing. Okay. Now, just I have given another function. So if I want to find out what is the mean of this particular M matrix with respect to the rows. So it will come like mean of each of the rows. Now, so when I apply this one, 13.5, 14.5, 15.5, that is the mean of these particular rows. So I think it's clear. Yes. So that is with this particular thing. I will open another one. These are all anyway basics which is related to your week 1. Okay. So choose the variable that are valid in R. Okay. So with respect to the other one, okay, I forgot this one. So instead of doing this one, you can do like this also to find the mean. And if you want to find the mean column wise, you can see. How can we get every diagonal elements in a matrix? Okay. The code files will be shared in the Google Drive. Okay, Vaishnavi? I told you, right? There will be one tab given as discussion forum. In that, the YouTube link for the video as well as this R file will be shared. Okay. No, yeah. So Durga, can we get? Yeah, you can get diagonal elements. Diagonal elements. Yeah, you have to form the matrix like that. Okay. So I will come to that. So okay. Hmm. You have to form that diagonal matrix, Durga, actually. Okay. Mail ID. I think it's shared somewhere, or I think you can see it in the discussion form. Okay, maybe let me see. Okay. I think it's there. Okay, wait. Let me think. If I found it, Ankur, direct contact, I am not sure. Let me discuss with the other TA also, and I'll let you know next week. Okay. Yeah, I think you can find my mail ID somewhere in the course, because last time also people have mailed, so I think it's possible. But anyway, so MC bind apply. Okay, he was asking. Yeah. So if you put this one here, yes, Sri, I use. I think you have asked this one only column wise. X1, where was X1? Yeah, X1 minimum column wise. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yeah. So I think we were in the middle of something else, or okay. Anyway, uh, till now it's fine, right? Any other question? Yes, yes, yes. Everything. I mean, apply can be used for any other thing. Okay, just you need to know what should be given. Edit data frame. I'll come to that. Let me. What you want to do in data frame actually? Just you want to edit it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
In the video there is a lesson editing data frames. So I am trying that. It's not working actually.
Okay. Let me find the data frame which I've used. Student data. Let me take and. Just edit really now. Ranjini, I hope you can see this one. Is it visible?
Fine.
Okay, once more also. I mean, I just created one data frame like this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, student name 1 to 4 like this. Just a data frame. This is the data frame. Okay. Simple data frame. Yeah. Now what I did is like this is the edit command. I think you only tried this one only, right? Or
Yes,
any other?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's finally it will come like this. You can edit in that.
But
Okay.
when I run edit, it is saying editing of data frames and matrices is not supported in RStudio.
Um, Perhaps you are missing some packages or something. Just praise that error command like
Okay, ma'am.
itself in Google and check. Okay. Sometimes something might be missing. Okay. In
Okay,
normal
ma'am.
cases it should come. Why you have given error data frame is not supported in Art Studio? Okay, I'm not getting that. Okay, just paste this in Google, okay, and see.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I haven't downloaded any extra packages and all. Anyway, I think I mean DP layer and you have installed packages, right? But that doesn't make any problem. To a file. Yes, yes, that is yes, yes. You can save to a data frame to a file. I mean the whole environment you can there, and this data frame can be written to a CSV file also. That will come later. Okay. Yeah. So I just okay. So can you say this? I mean, we'll come to the rest of the questions later. So can you tell answer to this one? Employment. I mean, what is the variable names which are invalid or valid? I'll just put A, B, C, D. Okay, these are A, B, C, D. So whichever is invalid, you can tell. Jayashree, why is B invalid? Yeah, cast also. B is not invalid, okay? B is fine. Okay. The second one is fine, it is supported, it is okay. Dot is period is okay. I mean, underscore and period are supported. Only thing is, it shouldn't start with a numerical. Yeah, T is invalid. So if you run this one, unexpected input will come. Okay. Now somebody asked melt. I had- Okay, see this one. Students course I am given as a data frame. Name Ram Prabhu Sita like this. Mathematics score like this. English, science, everything is there. Okay, I'll just run this one and see what is the data frame. Okay, so this is like students course. This is the data frame. Okay, we'll try. Who had asked actually? Chandan. Okay, Chandan, we will check this one. So this is the data frame, right? Just look at this one once. So now, actually, this question was like to find out which one of the following options give table 2 as an output. We don't have the table 2 right here now. So anyway, we'll see each one by one. Okay. So melt is like, okay, so I'll just, for the description, I'll just type it here. So it will show, it performs multiple empirical likelihood test. Okay, so these both two are in the library. You have to install like this reshape 2, right? So in that it will be there. So if it's there, if it's installed, then melt, this is the function, students course, you have to give the data frame. id dot variables, I mean variable and value will be coming as the next two thing. So in the variable, we are telling like we have to put name, and then the measure dot variables, the measurement of that thing we have to give us this one. Okay, so it is like kind of you are changing the data frame. So yeah, I haven't installed it. Okay, wait a moment. So okay, so melt, I'll just show you once, just 1% discount. Okay, yeah. So what happened here right now? We have given as name, variable, and value. So it transformed the student's course data frame, which was this one, according to just this much was only the data frame. Okay, so what it did is that we it made some transformation to this particular data frame, like the id we have given as the name, so whatever name is there and whatever variables we have given, like this one, math, English, and science together. So it printed like this one, the variable value mathematics, English, and science, it together it had printed, and the value of that was taken as in the value case. Okay, so here the data frame which was in this form, which had like separate columns for mathematics, English, and science, it got transformed like this, the name here and variable and value. Okay, so I'll come that, yeah. Now another thing is that, I mean, you have melt, cast, and decast, right? So decast is like both the things together you will be getting. Okay, you'll be putting a formula there. In cast, you'll be putting a formula and then you'll be saying. And decast is like you'll be putting the operation of melt as well as cast together. Okay, so just now what I've put is like variable plus name is science and then variable dot value as value. If I do that, okay, sorry. Oh, there is an error here. Variable dot. Okay, this is right. Problem is there. I'll come to that. Subset is subset. What do you want to know about subset? Value dot variable. Okay. If Murali Krishna, I'll come to yours actually. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Variable plus name equal to this one is equal to it's not value, value is there. So just wait. I'm not sure, just I have some confusion here. It's not that, Anand. It's value.var itself. Okay, if any doubt you have, just put F1, okay? So that is that only. There is another problem with this one. I mean, logical problem only, I think. Um, hmm.
Input does not contain anything as value.
Input.
Within quotes, you're supposed to give some value which is present in the data in your system, but it is no value. Go to the right. Within quotes, you have got value. Instead of that, you have to have some numeric.
Okay. We will change then this one like. Try this one. It's not ID. Okay, I'll solve this one and tell you later, okay? This is not coming in this particular problem. Who had answered the question?
My name is Rajwant, RS Kohli.
Okay. Yeah, I will see that next time, okay? Yeah. Where was that? Subset. Okay. Subset of a function. Subset function in R. So subset is like you will have some like if you say some particular data frame or something, and if you put a particular statement like this should satisfy this particular argument, then you can make a subset of that. Okay, so Um, Something which I can take here. No. So okay, the data frame which I've used, I will take that. I have used. Yeah, I think you have understood that. Okay, I mean, like, if it's like, yeah, you have having a particular data frame, like, for example, some set of certain values and a particular name or something. Maybe here itself you can tell name like that, like that, like that. You can tell, and maybe you can form another data frame from this, like putting like. For example, this particular column you can mention and maybe put like the thing like it's greater than 70 or something. The value is greater than 70 or something. You can mention it like that. So it will be like if this is the data frame student scores, then you can put a new data frame like student scores. I mean, uh, and let's name it as PD2. PD2 is equal to subset of the student score. Maybe you can put name equal to or mathematics values greater than 70 like that, and you'll form a new what is that new data frame. Okay, with that is a subset of the other data frame. Okay, value dot, this is about the this one.
It should be assigned a name of a column, name of a column, which from where the values have to be picked up.
Okay, value dot var variable equals to from where values are picked up. So the values are there in the, okay, this is the,
Values are in name and uh, s- mathematics, English, science, but there's nothing, no column as value.
okay, understood. Yeah, I understood the mistake. Is this fine? Whoever has given? I've tried that also. That is not the thing. I mean, what I've understand, what you have told is,
It, the previous one is okay. Value dot bar is equal to, instead of this value, it should have the name of some uh,
which is in the
feature,
data frame.
yeah, feature frame or something. But how will it do that? That's what I've understood.
That is also not true. Okay, I'll get with, I'll check this once more, okay?
It should be value dot bar is equal to. Uh, that is what the documentation is saying.
Yeah, yeah. That is, there is some problem in that. I'll just see, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Next time I'll get this one back, okay? Okay, fine. Yeah. So, any other questions? I think there are many other things to be discussed. Just I'll move on to something else which we have covered. No, it's okay. Then anyway, I'll be sharing these programs. Anything you want? Anything else you want to discuss? Is this
Yes.
fine? Yes, yes. Tell me.
Sorry, I just registered for the scores only 2 days before. So whatever classes or any live classes happened, where do we find the link? Recordings?
Live classes has happened yesterday and today only. These were the
Oh, it
first live.
started only.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
these were the first live sessions. So it will be uploaded today or tomorrow. Shortly it will be uploaded. The other person also will be uploading it shortly.
Okay, but just a question on that. The Friday would be more of a lecture and Saturday would be more of workout of the assignments, or how it is
Um,
aligned?
no, that we'll be discussing. We are discussing. Yesterday, since it was taken like a basics class, today I was discussing some questions. Next week,
Okay.
we'll be deciding only. Depends on the next week assignment problems and all, and how much basics will be there in the question. Anyway, we'll be concentrating more on the questions only.
Both the classes, Friday,
Yeah,
Saturday, both the classes would be more of assignments
yeah, more of the
discussion.
assignments. That's the requirement actually for live discussion classes. We are supposed
Okay.
to discuss with the previous assignment questions, but still maybe we will be changing in between basics also.
Okay, okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Revant, what's the question?
I will look at this nonsense myself.
Revant, somebody else had spoken also. Ranjini, I'm not aware of any WhatsApp group. Okay. Nemo, multiple input, multiple output. Okay, that is like one of examples you were given in the lectures. Okay, so it's a straightaway thing only. The thing is that in your function in R, only one value will be returned in a normal function. But what you can do in that particular cases in the return, you can give as a list. Okay, then you will get a list back, and then you can access from the list. Okay, just go through that lecture once more, you'll get that. Okay, the problem with the functions in the R is that one. Okay, you can get a return value of 1 only. I think one person is unmuted. Yeah, extra questions to practice. I think you have a practice assignment as well as an assignment. Then I'll be sharing this program, so many other variations are there, and you can look at the material shared by the other teaching assistant also. So I think that will be enough. Okay. Okay, somebody has put the WhatsApp group. Ankur, what is your problem? I have problem with
Ma'am,
if.
ma'am, I was practicing while I have written a if else if command. So
Okay.
I'm getting an error message while executing the program.
Uh, yeah, this is one example of that one. Have you done like this itself?
No, ma'am, in the lecture only, the week 1 lecture, the same program what sir has written. I had written the same code, but there was a message I'm reading out that unexpected else in else.
Unexpected else in else.
Uh,
Okay, I haven't seen the question in that lecture, but have you closed the
that was
brackets,
very
everything?
that was very basic level. X equals to 6. If x is greater than 7, then x is
Ah,
equals to x plus 1. If x is greater than 8, then x is equals to x plus 2.
okay,
Else if
okay. So
there was
else if how did you give that? Can you put in the chat actually?
okay. Yes, ma'am, I've written like this.
Hmm. Okay. Mm. If x is 7. Okay, now itself error is showing. Okay. Yeah. So you see what's happening here? It's closed here itself, no?
The same cross mark I was getting that.
Yeah. We should do. Okay, I'll just do it, okay? Somebody is.
Yeah. Yes, the statement else has to be within the braces of the if.
Yeah, that is there. That itself.
You have last elf outside the braces. This is the structure of else. Within if else, you have got another if, nested if.
Is that the problem?
You have the second if x greater than 0, there's the braces, then there should be else.
Yeah.
Then
Understood,
should be
understood.
else
Yes,
here.
yes. Yeah, understood.
Else should not be below.
This one now I'm closing. Yeah, this is like brackets problem only, okay? It will take, I mean, if one or two brackets are the problem, then it will be happening like that.
Remove line 27 braces.
Yeah, I'm doing. I think everything is fine now. Everything is closed. This is closed. This is closed. Any problem? So this is fine. This. Okay. I'm not still finding the problem actually. If somebody can help finding the thing, else is there. Yeah. Um, okay, what you can do, Ankur, is that whenever you're starting the statement, no, in between I'm finding it difficult to find. So whenever you're starting one statement, then itself you put the brackets there, okay? Otherwise you will kind of miss it, okay? Who's that, Ankur?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in between I am missing some brackets here, brackets there. That is only the problem here, okay? The rest are fine actually. Expected else. So if I have closed, x greater than x is equal to else if this is closed and else something is happening. Okay, let me check this one.
I have sent a different example. You can look at it for the structure.
No, I am looking it for the structure only. It's this is actually yeah. I think the indentation is a problem. I mean, the brackets are fine, right? Who is that, Kohli? Brackets are fine, right? So I think the indentation is the problem. Okay, we'll see. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock, okay? I'll get this problem next time as well as one other person. Yeah, that all these things will be solved next time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Any other questions? I am not sure in Tamil, okay? Niveta. I mean, I don't know how to speak in Tamil. Okay. Place else after the curly braces. Where is it? Yeah. That's right. Who said that? Srinati, thank you. That was the problem. I missed that. Thank you. Okay. So, who was that? Okay, I missed who was that. What answer? Yeah, Ankur. Ankur, are you fine now? This was just the problem
Yes,
of this one. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It means the location of else and bracket matters.
Yeah, yeah. Not like that. The if should be followed like else together since it's a nested like this thing. Sometimes if you like put it to the next line and something, it will be taken as like indentation or error or some other error will be happening and won't be recognized. Okay. So that's fine. I think anyone else? Any other question?
Ma'am, can you please paste this into the dashboard? Yes.
When I paste it, it will be changing again, I think. Okay. Ankur?
Okay, okay, maybe.
Yeah. Just I'll try. You just see. I don't know if it will be coming in the right spacing and all. But anyway, I'll be sharing this code, okay? You can look in that. Nested if now, if else, if else. What is that, Chandan? You're answering it? Okay. I mean, I think it's not a question. You are answering it only, no? So, okay. So, anyone else? Any other question? I'll share
Ma'am,
some. Yeah,
ma'am, can you execute this command?
this one particular.
When I'm executing, I'm getting again some wrong message, error in x greater than 7.
Okay. This one was running okay. We'll try some other. What can I do? We'll do. So, have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Earlier it was not there. Sorry. It's 6. Then maybe like this. Okay. Something. What? Errors will be coming because of the brackets and all. Okay, just check if you have completed every bracket, then check if it's coming together like this, then check for indentation. If sometimes it will be coming like different indentation also, that will be a problem. Okay, so many types of errors can creep in your program. So it's better like every time you're writing each line, you start with one if, make the argument, and then, so if it's like this, make the argument and then start your brackets and then give it like this. So automatically it will be going on to the next level. Okay, so you can give the statement there, which was given, and then again you can follow with the else, then again start the bracket, and when you go to the next one, it will automatically give the indentation automatically. Otherwise you will be having some errors. Okay, so do like this in the when you are entering the program. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
yeah, okay, so if it's fine, if no one else has any question, then we will stop this session for today. Okay, okay, somebody had asked, ma'am, data visualization. Okay, you check on last day's lecture. I think bar plot and line plot was explained in last day, so you can check that video. Okay, Navya. Still, if you have having doubt, next week I'll tell about that. Okay. Mm. Is it okay, Navya? Okay, I hope it's okay. Yeah. Okay, so today we'll stop the session now. Everyone, practice the questions, and I'll be sharing the R files as well as the PPT in the Google Drive, so you can practice on that, and you can form different variation, try wherever you are getting the errors and all. Sometimes if you are doing in between, some errors will be there, and sometimes you may not be able to figure that out also, so you have to work on that. Okay, so thank you for today, and we'll see you next week. Okay, I'll see you next week. Yeah. Okay. Okay, everyone. Have a nice rest of the day.